Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome to Venture with Hams. Today I'll be talking about my trip to the Estadio Sport Lisboa Benfica, aka the Stadium of Light for Benfica Football Club. Being a massive football fan, I had to spend some time visiting Portugal's biggest stadium and see where a great chunk of Portugal's finest talents have begun their footballing careers. The admission ticket came with a scarf as a souvenir, with opening times from 10 to 6 PM, closed on match days obviously. Tickets cost from €8.50 to €15 total, which included a stadium and a museum tour. The tour was around an hour to an hour and a half. The dressing room was an odd experience. They took us into the away dressing room with all the home shirts available to see on display, where they allowed us to sit in one of the players' seats whilst they talked us through the matchday experience. There was a VR experience to immerse yourself in a matchday scenario. I didn't really see the point of it, but it was quite fun to actually just pretend you were a football player getting ready for a big game. My favourite part of the tour was being able to walk through the tunnel right beside the pitch. I found that an amazing experience walking down the touchline, especially with my GoPro. So close to where the action would normally be. Would have loved to have come here on a matchday weekend, or like a Champions League away day to watch Man United play. If Man United ever get back in the Champions League, of course. We then had a strange meeting with some furry friends which you would not normally see in all football grounds. 3 brilliantly beautiful looking eagles, who are the club mascots. Before every game, Vitória, one of the eagles, flies around the stadium and lands on top of the club crest. Pretty sure it's the one that I freeze framed, but I've forgotten the names by now. Had a fantastic time walking around the ground, seeing the stadium, seeing the museum from a different perspective. I genuinely hope all of you enjoyed my latest video. Let me know in the comments down below if you prefer this type of voiceover video. See you all next time. Assalamu alaikum and take care.